We are currently in Amsterdam. That was not the original plan of our travels. We were supposed to be in Split tonight, but our first flight was so delayed that we missed our connecting flight in Amsterdam. So we're here for the night and we've had to book a hotel through KLM. Let me just show you this hotel room. This is absolutely ridiculous. Okay. We have a Canal view suite. I will show you the views tomorrow. What the heck? We don't belong here. What a view! Let's go explore Amsterdam. We stayed there on the corner over there. Good morning from Split, Croatia. We were supposed to get here 36 hours ago, but our flight was unfortunately delayed and we ended up spending 24 hours in Amsterdam, which was really awesome. We're now in Split only for the next couple of hours and we're gonna go explore and make the most of it. So I'm gonna show you what to do in Split if you only have a couple of hours. The first thing we're gonna do this morning is climb up Marjan Hill. Apparently it has really nice views and there's a few things to see along the way, and apparently it's the heart of Split. So let's go look at it. The church that we've just looked at is the Church of St. Nicholas, and it's been here since 1219. It's really old. We've made it to Telegren Peak, which is the second peak of the Marjan Hills. They're not really sure why it's called this, but it's very nice and you should definitely come here if you're in Split. It's a very chill walk. It took us 45 minutes to walk to the top with lots of stops. We're on our way to drop our bags off for the day. We've got, I think, 4 hours until our ferry leaves, so we may as well drop them off and then go explore, get some food. But we're walking along the promenade, which is one of the things that you should do when you're here, so we get to check that off. We've just dropped our bags off and now we're gonna go get some food. Stopping first at a gluten-free food place and then, yeah, we'll see where we go. Tom has a gluten-free focaccia. Are you celiac or are you just silly? We just ordered some traditional Croatian food called cevapi, I believe. We're gonna go sit by the waterfront and eat it. And Tom's just had his verdict.
It was very yummy, thank you.
Yeah. Tom's one. So it's, I think, like a meat sandwich. Don't know what kind of meat. With some onions, some paprika, some sauce. And it's really good. It's really yum. I really rate it. So you should try this when you're here. It's just like a nice snack. And this is our lunch deal. Could be worse.